morning, class. May I call Miss Angela to lead the prayer? Let's check your attendance first. Once I call your name, please say present. So may I present to you our class rule. Number 1, be on time. Number 2, mute your microphone. Number 3, wear a proper uniform. Number 4, use the chat box responsibly. Number 5, click the raise hand button if you have a question or if you want to answer. Number 6, respect one another. Before we start our new lesson for today, what is our last topic? Yes, Mr. Mark. Yes, that's correct. Thank you, Mr. Mark. Another one. What have you learned from our previous topic? Yes, Miss Yani. Thank you, Miss Yani. Thank you for those who answer and share their thought. Everyone, let's give them a virtual clap. So class, I have a short video. I want you to watch and observe what the video is all about.
Sa minuto. Carrots, 2 kilos. Meat, 4 kilos. Potatoes, 2 kilos. Kailangan damihan ko na para hindi ako maubusan ng mga ingredients. Mag-i-stock na lang ako. Magkano kaya ito lahat? Kasya kaya sa budget ko? Mahal ng karne, is 4 kilos. Eh, ang pera ko lang, nasa 1K. Ano kayo magastos ko dito? Ay, ang hirap naman. Ang hirap naman pag hindi mo alam ang presyo. Bahala na. Doon na lang ako mamimili sa market. Pagkasyahin ko na lang. Nakakatamad yung magsulat.
What is the video is all about? Yes, so our lesson is all about market list, purchase order, and market survey. So class, we have 3 learning objectives. Number 1, define market list or purchase order. Number 2, identify the common contents of market list purchase order. Number 3, conduct market survey. Who wants to read the first slide? Yes, Mr. Jan. Thank you, Mr. Jan. When we say market order list or grocery list and purchase order or PO for short, it is a tool that help all purchase to list down all their ingredients, quality, quantity, items, and also the price. It is served as a reference to the production to purchasing. Do you have any question? So none. So this is the example of purchase order or PO in short. In this, I will explain the parts of the PO. So first the item. Here is the name of the ingredients that we want to buy, for example, the meat, sugar, and flour. Second, specification or description. Here is the description of an item. For example, meat. What kind of meat? It is a pork, beef, sugar, if it is a white, brown, or flour, if it is baking flour or all-purpose flour. Third is the unit. Here is the unit or the measurements of the ingredients of each item. Example, kilogram, ml, liter, that's the example of unit. The fourth is the quantity. Here is the required amount of the ingredients. Fifth is the dealer's quote. Here is how much of the unit of the ingredients cost. The sixth, the total cost. Here is the summarize of how much of the purchase is. Seventh is the order date and approval. It is important that we have a date in our purchase and also the approval of it. Do you have any question about PO or purchase order? The purchase order is usually done in triplicate or 3 copies. The first one is the original copy. The original copy is to send to the vendor or supplier. The next is the second copy. The purpose of this is to check and compare the delivery goods by the vendor. The last is the third copy. The purpose of this is to record the purposes and the payment of the purchaser. Note, these 3 copies are the minimum only. Next, who wants to read the economizing to the market list, PO, and market survey? Thank you, Miss Jan, for reading. So I have a question, class. Why it is important that as a purchaser, we have a multiple suppliers? Yes, that's correct. If we have a multiple supplier, we can reducing risk. As a purchaser, we cannot depend only in our one suppliers. Also, we have multiple. Suppliers, we can reduce costs, we can compare and the offers from our multiple suppliers and get the discount. But always remember that as a purchaser, we need to consider the price, quality, and the condition of the ingredients that we buy. Do you have any question about economizing to the market list? Our next lesson is the buying guide, purchasing of 5RS. Who wants to read the first box? Yes, Mr. Luke. Thank you for reading. First, buy in the right quantity. When we say buy in the right quantity, as a purchaser, we need to buy the right quantity of the ingredients that we need. It avoids storage costs, wastage of the ingredients. It's also help us to spend a lot of money to buy. Who wants to read the second box? Yes, Miss Jude. Thank you for reading. The second is buy the right quality. When we say buy the right quality, as a purchaser, do not always look the quantity of the ingredients. Always look the quality because, as in the slide said, the best quality is not always the best qualities. Who wants to read the third box? Yes, Miss Divine. Thank you for reading. Third is buy the right price. When we say buy the right price, as a purchaser, we need to buy the right price of the good quality and quantity of the ingredient. Let's not just focus on one supplier. Find a supplier has a good price, quantity, and quality of the ingredients. Who wants to read the fourth box? Yes, Mr. David. Thank you for reading. The fourth is buy from the right resources. When we say buy from the right resources, as a purchaser, we need to find the right resources. Be sure that your suppliers is legit and fulfilling what was discussed or agreement, especially in delivery, quality, and quantity of the product. Who wants to read the fifth box? Yes, Miss Joy. Thank you for reading. The last one is buy at the right time. Buying the right time can help us to save money, minimize value, reduce waste, and make our money most budget. That's the end of our lesson. Do you have any question, class? None. So class, because you don't have any question, I have a question. What have you learned from our lesson? Yes, thank you. Second, why market list purchase order is important and what is the purpose of it? Yes, thank you. So thank you to all students who answer and share their thoughts. So class, before we end our class, get a 1/2 sheet of yellow paper and we have a short quiz. 1 to 5 identification, it's 10 minutes only. So let's check your quiz. Exchange paper. Number 1 is original copies. Number 2, second copies. Number 3, third copies. Number 4, economizing. Number 5, market list or purchase order. So class, before we end, I want to present to you your task sheet number 1. So your task sheet number 1, create your own purchase order. In your Google Classroom, I will post your task sheet number 1. So I will post the deadline. And so class, thank you for listening and may God bless you. Thank you everyone.